The barbecue's origins are clouded in a bit of a smoky haze, but it's believed that native Caribbeans were the first to cook this way. Of course, back then, they didn't have charcoal grills. They roasted their meat over a smoky pit. Today, people still love a good cookout, but now we have better equipment. Basic charcoal grills begin with big steel discs. Rollers coat each one with soapy lubricant. Then they're fed into a press that shapes each one into a big bowl. Molding steel can be tricky. If it's not lubricated enough, it could tear instead of bend. So workers need to make sure each disc gets a generous application of the soapy solution before it goes into the press. This is a back view of the press. With each powerful thrust, the ram delivers 500 tons of pressure. A similar type of press makes the barbecue's lids. An operator inspects each part for splits and cracks. Then, it's over to a press that trims the rim. The scrap is tossed into a bin for recycling. Next, the barbecue bowl spins around while an automated roller flanges the rim. After that, holes are punched into the bowl for ventilation. Now it's time to bring in the welding guns. The guns fuse metal couplings to the bowls to serve as attachments for the barbecue's legs. Here, handles are loaded into an assembly machine. Below, a turntable swings the barbecue bowls into position, then the handles are welded to each side. At another station, the barbecue lids get a handle of their own. No chef can check the progress of a burger without this essential part. This one will allow the chef to lower the lid to control the cooking temperature and then lift it again when it's time to flip the burgers. The barbecue parts now travel on an overhead rail to the wash station. They're hosed down with soapy water, then rinsed clean. Once they're dry, it's off to the finishing department. Here, the parts are dusted with a glass powder. Then it's into a red-hot furnace set to 1500 degrees. The furnace bakes the glass dust into an enamel finish that protects the barbecue from rust and stains, so they'll last for years. Next, they go under intense lights that expose any defects in what should be a mirror-like finish. An inspector examines each part inside and out. A punch machine now makes dampers from aluminum. It simultaneously cuts the shapes and embosses the company's logo onto them. This handy attachment enables the chef to control the flow of air to the grill. Nylon grips go onto the handle. And the damper is installed over the lid's ventilation holes. It's up to the consumer to complete the final assembly. And in just a few minutes, the burgers could be grilling.